10 and whatever is third class. So yesterday we covered how to create tables, insert, delete, drop, truncate, and alter commands and update as well. And subqueries also become and views will be covered. And today we'll see about joins and group by having operator we'll see how today. So joins means we can perform four types of joins. Joins we can perform four types. Like join means we can able to apply between two tables. So one is I will show you some pictorial representation. We have four types of joins. One is this one table, this is the one table. One we are calling left table, one is right side table. The yellow color symbol is whatever is showing is inner join. This means the common data. There is a common data between the table A and table B. This what a inner join. And the left order join means there is a common data between table A, table B plus unmatched data from the table A. Okay, that's what a left order join. There is a common data between table A, table B plus this is the common data plus unmatched data from the table B. That's what right order join. Full order join means the common data plus left side unmatched which are not there in right side table. Right side table unmatched which are in right table which are not in B. That's our four types of joins. A practical I will execute and I will show you. I will consider two tables, then I will execute and I will show you. Okay. Sorry. Hello. Hello. Someone is speaking. అందరూ మ్యూట్ చేసుకోండి. And now I'm creating two tables. One is employee table, another is department table. Like that, I will take two tables. I will perform a joins on top of that. Otherwise, I have let me go here. Desktop, my system. And this is a big table. Um, region ID, region name. Okay. Maybe if we execute this is the big table, maybe people will get confusion. Better I will take a small example. You will get confusion. Maybe if I execute a big table, maybe I will take small table. If you want, I will execute, I will show you, but if people will get confusion. Int name varchar 2 or 100 and ID name salary int location varchar 2 or 100. So along with the location, I don't want to take. Where he is working, I will take. Department ID, I will take. Where he is working. That's it. This is the table. One table I will take. One more table I will take. Create table DEPT department ID int department name varchar 2 or 100 and where is located department location varchar or 2 or 100 is the way. So we can join based on which column. department ID in this employee table, we are comparing with the department ID in here. But the target I want like employee ID I want, employee name, where is working department name, and department location. So you want the data in target like this because these four columns not available in one single table. It is available in a combination of both the tables because we want to combine based on the join condition on the department ID. One is the common column. Means name should be anything. Maybe here DAD1, here DAD2. That is fine. But we are comparing the data in the employee table with the department table. Just we are comparing the sir ikkada same name undala. No, not required. Can give any name. But we are comparing with the only data in this employee table with the department table. Let me execute and I will show. Maybe you can take same department, you can take like other table. Table name mismatch. Table name mismatch what? Already inserted. What is table name mismatch, Ramana? What mismatch? I am giving this one. I created table is created. Insert all the records. I given commit command. Triple one and department name scribbly and where is located. Maybe I can use Chennai and so what I given triple one, triple two, triple three, right? So I will give like triple one, triple two. I will give triple three. I won't give because one thing I should go for like unmatched kind of thing. Triple five, triple five, triple six. Okay, so these are the things we can go in. Now we want to compare the Now we want to compare the two tables using which column department head in the employee table with the department head in the department table. So how I am joining like this is the one table. Let me execute start from like, oh P not there. Sorry. So many times I answered, right? So that only this is the data. This is another table. Okay, these are the two times inserted. So these are the two tables. So now I want to check based on the department head in the employee table, the department table. Select A dot ID, comma A is something like alias name. A dot name, A dot uh, A dot name. That's fine. B dot uh, DID, comma B dot D name from employee. This one I am assuming like A. Inner join means inner join is the common data. DEPT. This one I'm assuming like D on employee table లో ఉన్న department ID we are combining with B, like B means like department table and department ID తో compare చేస్తాం. Okay, what are the columns we are getting? We want like ID, name, this one, 111, 222, 333, Avira, 111, 333, Raju, 222, civil, Somesh, 111, 333, Lakshmi, 222, civil. So if you look at the table, 333 also is there, but not getting because 333 record is available here. 333 entry is not there. There is no match for this. So that only is not came because inner join means the common data between the table A and table B. Common data is like 111 and 222. The common data between both the tables. So if you take look at like instead of inner join, just I'm changing the keyword like left outer join. Means the common data plus along with left side unmatched. Left side table means employee table. Unmatched record means 333 also will come along with the entry null. Here B dot department ID given, right? A dot department ID left side table along with that triple E. It's a department name is null. 333 there is no entry here. So that one but still can by we are using left order join. If you go for right order join, instead of this left outer, I am going for right outer. So here I am taking like p.did, whatever the records, match data plus, these are the match data plus right side unmatched data. Right side unmatched data. Is it fine? People understand? If you go for full order then both will come. Unmatched, matched plus all the records will come. Full order. This what the match data. It's what like data department, data department. Both will take is considering like A DID as B DID. Alias name of it. Assume. So this what the match data. This what left side unmatched data. This what matched data. This also matched data 311, 322. This what unmatched from the right side table. People understand? This what the full order gen. Got it or not? Any doubts on here? So far, any doubt, please? I explained left order join, right order join, full order join, inner join. These are the most very important. Wherever you go, it will follow you because very important. This joins and all. If you are not understand anything, let me ask. Let me know. I will clarify you. Yeah, please ask me if anyone having doubts. I have till now I showed like two tables joining, right? I will give you one assignment to all of you. You can execute on multiple tables join. Okay, there are three tables. If you look at somewhere in here, we have like three tables. One is like joining the multiple tables using inner join or something like that. One is the employee table. Employee table ID column we are comparing with the call table ID column. In this we are comparing with the ID column here to this one. See here call table employee ID we are comparing with the employee table ID. Then we are coming with like call table call outcome ID. We are comparing with the here this ID. This table you are joining with this ID. This table both are joining with this table, inner join. The whatever the resultant we are getting, the common data between these two tables, call table and employee table, whatever the result we are getting, based on the result, outcome of this ID, we are comparing this table. We are joining inner join. Based on this common data, we can join with another table. Like that, we can join multiple tables. You got it or not? Otherwise, you can consider like city is one table, customer is one table, country is one table. Country table, whatever the ID we are comparing with the here country ID. This ID we are comparing with this one. Whatever the result we are getting, based on that one, we are joining with ID in this city ID table is this customer ID. City table, country ID we are comparing with the country ID. Whatever the result we are getting from this, after this we are joining with one more inner join with the customer table. Customer table city ID we are comparing with the city table ID. So finally will result will get it. The common we are combining three tables here. City, customer, country, three tables. Like this, we can join multiple tables. Try to practice this. This scenario is very important. The multiple tables you can practice. Any more doubts? Please ask me. Joins is very important. Any doubts? Please ask me. Then I can go for. If no doubts, then go for next topic. Any doubts so far? Ganesh, you understand? Ramana, you? We have a joins here. Four types of join. Left order join, right order join, full order join, and inner join. The four joins we covered. So just try to practice more examples and I explain with the two tables. Try to practice for three tables, four tables as well. Very, very important. Then we'll see now group by having like operator. Then go for constraints as well. Okay. Create table product ID int name of the product uh, backend to we'll take like sales table is the product ID is the product ID and the product name will take and the price is of the term. Mm, branch where he sold out that is big branch means branch name we can take where he sold out and branch name branch ID. So I'm taking this table, executing. Product ID 1 and its item is rice. Price is 1,000 rupees. Branch ID is 111. Branch name is Chennai. Maybe I can consider like I'm going little bit fast. If anyone not understand, please ask. First two class, three classes, I will go a little bit slow. Then I will go a little bit fast. So these are the data I'm inserting. Commit as well. This is the data. Here now I'm giving it the push operator like group by and having, right? Group by and having is something like used to perform like a aggregate functions. Aggregate functions we can perform. And aggregate function means sum, max, min, average, count. These are the functions we can perform. While performing this function, we have to use group by class. Group by means చెన్నై వైజ్ నాకు బ్రాంచ్ వైజ్ డేటా కావాలి లేదు లొకేషన్ వైజ్ డేటా కావాలి లొకేషన్ వైజ్ బ్రాంచ్ వైజ్ ఇలా సంథింగ్ లైక్ గ్రూపింగ్ యూ హావ్ టు పర్ఫార్మ్ లైక్ దట్ గ్రూపింగ్ లొకేషన్ వైజ్ సమ్ కావాలా మ్యాక్స్ కావాలా మిన్ కావాలా యావరేజ్ కావాలా కౌంట్ కావాలా లైక్ యూ వాంట్ పర్ఫార్మ్ లైక్ సమ్ లొకేషన్ వైజ్ బ్రాంచ్ వైజ్ like that wise like you want to perform like that time I go for group by class. Let me show. I want like sales, how many sales will happen location wise. How many means the count of star from branch underscore name from sales group by what is the invalidated branch n లేదు okay super. So how many sales in Mumbai? Only one sale. How many sales in Pune? Three sales. How many sales in Chennai? Five sales. Like this. So suppose you want like sum of sales. Sum of sales. That time you want like sum of sales means sum of which one? Price. How much money you like sold out, like branch wise, how much price? Check it out. Mumbai like 8,000, Pune 2,000, 3,000 plus 5,000 plus 4,000, 9,000. Remaining like the Chennai as well. 9,000 Pune, 8,000 Mumbai, 24,000 Chennai. So branch wise sum of sales. like this. And one more thing, like sum of price we done, right? Okay, okay. Now maximum price of the product which is sold branch wise. This was 8,000, this is the 4,000, this is the 9,000 max. We want to go for min as well. So all the aggregate functions we can perform, like average, average of sales. Next, min also. So we are taking as of now branch wise. We can take like branch wise and some other locations like this. You are taking group by class. You are taking only one. So whatever you mention in group by class, the same columns you want to mention in the select class also. Here branch name. Then you can select like in each branch have again store ID is different. Again, if you want to give store ID here, store ID here, like this. You want to in this branch in Chennai location branch name, what is the store ID? Like some store location, something like in enter Hyderabad. So Dilshuk Nagar, how much sales? Like Hyderabad again, how much sales? So like this, you want to give means again comma, you can give like another column name like that. So you want to perform like this here. So when we want to see, these are the things we are getting right. Some of the things. You want to take only those who are having like a more than 10,000 sales that the details only want. So, but your group by branch, we are giving like 8,000, 9,000, 24,000, everything we are giving. But you want more than 10,000 sales. At that time, you want to go for filtering the data. Having sum of price, whatever the sum of price we are getting, that should be greater than 10,000. Better than 10,000, only 24,000. These words like this. Having is something like is to filter the whatever the result we are getting here. It's like equal to where condition. Where condition we are applying like select kind of thing. When you're using group by class, you want to filter the data. You can use like having condition. Group by class and having a conjunction to each other. Like even like pair లాంటిది. So when we are using group by, we should use having to filter the data on the group by class. Is it understand any doubts? Any doubts? Please ask me. All are so silent. Please ask me if anyone not understand anything. Group by having joins. Is it understand or any doubts? Yes. No. Yeah, I will show you. What are you getting? That's it. When you're using group by class, we should use having only. Where condition we are using non group by classes, non aggregate functions when we are using like previously, right? This one when you're using like this time non aggregate functions time here as well. When you're using aggregate functions, group by class time, you should use having class to filter the data. That's why group by having together I am teaching at a time. So because these are together we are working. So group by class is there along with that we want to perform the filter, then we are using having. Okay. So if the employee sales table I'm taking. Select start from sales table. Here I want the where location equal to Chennai means we'll get only Chennai data. Where location equal to Chennai means we'll get only Chennai data, right? Any column is wrong column. Okay, branch name. Branch name is Chennai, only Chennai data we are getting. So we are getting like a branch name equal to Chennai, we are getting this way. So you want the letter which starts from A. something like that. Select, this is a normal where statement. Select says where this branch name, like, then single quotes, I'm giving a percentage ch percentage. What is meant by percentage? Can anyone tell me? What is meant by percentage? Oh, sorry, zero or more characters. Yeah, group of characters like zero or more characters. Before C, zero characters will be there or more characters will be there. After H, zero characters are there, more characters are there. If you coming to here, in the branch name, which where it contains ch, this contains ch. Before that, zero characters. After that, n number of characters. Fine, it will come. This before ch, like zero characters. After that, n number of fine. Here, ch not there. Ch not there. Ch not there. Ch not there. If you execute this one, same like Chennai, whatever we are getting. And one more thing, like I am giving E. How many characters will come? How many records will come? Before E, n number of characters. After E, n number of words. Chennai. Before E, two characters. After E, five characters. Pune. Before E, three characters. After E, zero characters. That's fine. If you are here also. Before E, two characters. This will come. Mumbai. There is no E here. This one will come. E will be there. 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 So except Mumbai, all the data will come. Let me check. Execute. Came or not? Except Mumbai, all came. Suppose if I am not giving E here, if I am not giving, if I am not giving E here, so what it comes? The before E, zero or more characters, but ending with E. After E, I don't want any characters. Before E, three characters are there. After E, any characters are there? No characters. So that Pune will come. Pune will come. Pune will come. Why Chennai will not come? After E, few more characters are there. But I am expecting E should be the last. After that, I don't want any characters. That's why Pune will come. Like this. You think you understand like operator? Is it understand like operator? Like operator also completed. Now we'll go for constraints now. Yeah, tell me. Yeah, will come, will come. So if, please concentrate what I'm telling now. Whatever you missed out, this one will cover it. No problem. First of all, whatever I'm teaching, please ask me doubts if you have any if you have any doubts. If you don't have any doubts, I will go for further next topics only. Till now, any doubts? So far, I covered like joins, left order, right order, full order, inner join, and group by having class like operator. Till now, no doubts, right? So now I will start like constraints. Please concentrate what I am telling. What I missed out, I will teach you. Don't worry. Suppose what something yesterday materialized view something like that, I will cover. We'll go one by one. First, let me understand what I told and the constraints and create table. We have like a few different constraints are there. Primary key and unique and foreign, default, checker, not null. These are the constraints. Constraint means it's like rules to applying the while creating the table type. EMP one something like that. ID integer. Suppose previously when you coming to here, if people understand here, this is something I created, right? Here I'm giving ID. Yeah, What is? Okay, first let me start. So if you're not understand, I will ask you to repeat also. I am going one way. If you're not understand, let me know. Even I'm not completed constraint class. Now just now I'm started. Let me complete. Then if you not understand, tell me. I will tell you another way also. So here, previously, here, this is the table. Previously, I given like ID 1, 2, 3, 4 for something I given. Now I'm not giving anything. I'm giving null value. Just I'm giving something like uh, other name like any name like Somesh, something like that. If see, I'm giving here one row inserted. Just comment null value to correct. So I don't want nulls like that. So while inserting the data here, it should not accept it. Should not accept null values. If you are giving null, automatically it shouldn't insert the data. It's row inserted. I don't want the row inserted while giving it null value to the ID column. ID column should be exist value. Okay, so I'm not defined. See, I'm creating a ID int, name, varchar, salary, integer, location, varchar. Something I created like this. I'm not at all mentioned any rules kind of thing. So if I'm giving null values, either ID or something like that name or wherever I'm giving, it will accept. That's what is the example for that. It's taking. So I remodifying like this. Now I'll start like constraints. Previously given null values like that. I don't want nulls now. So after ID int, I'm giving like not null. Means like it shouldn't accept the null value. Okay. And name varchar 200 salary int something like that. So I'm taking three columns, giving like table is created. So now I'm set into emp1 values triple one something a is the name and salary is like 1000 one row inserted right. So commit also given. Now I'm giving null instead of this. I'm giving null. This like given like without in a about table first time I'm giving like now I'm getting error right. Can't insert the null into this one because employee ID column it will be defined like not null. If you error we are getting like this, we can check DESC space description of the table. This is the null constraint. This is the not null constraint. So that only is when you are giving null value, it throws the error. That's why we are not able to insert that null constraint. See only triple one only is there. When null given, it throws the error because I defined like not null constraint. So that's what one thing. And one more thing, this is not null constraint. And one more thing, like when I'm giving same value again, the here triple one again I'm giving row inserted. Just commit command. Triple one two times, same record. Okay, triple one again, same time we given, it's accepted. But my requirement is to no. I don't want the once the ID is something you enter, you don't want to repeat that number. I want like a unique IDs should exist. While inserting time, you should like for already triple one exists, it shouldn't allow like the triple one. Triple two already is there, you shouldn't allow. Other than this, you should allow like this. So we want to maintain uniqueness. So that one also will show you. This was the normal constraint. Now unique constraint. So same table I'm taking. For that maybe I will drop as well. Table emp1. I'm dropping again. I will take okay, table drop. Here I don't want null columns. I don't want null to be repeated. I don't want null. Along with that, you should maintain uniqueness. So I want like unique key. Unique key is there one constraint. I'm created table and take. What is the error? Anyone tell me? Not null, you understand? Not null, you understand or not? Not null. So same thing like when you are using unique, it will accept one null value. It will accept one null value. It will not accept two nulls. Here, not unique key, only unique. Yeah, no, no. Now table is created. Unique key, only unique. So now I'm giving insert into this one. One row inserted. Then commit. Again, I'm going for inserting same record like triple one again. Unique constraint violation error. Getting or not? It's not accepting. Previously, you are giving normal time, it's accepted. Normal means it will not allow only null values, but it allows duplicates. Now it not allowing duplicates. Now again I'm inserting null value. One row inserted. Okay. Again I'm inserting. Um, Here allowing null values, right? You are seeing right? Allowing null values multiple times, but unique key will violating the duplicates. Sir, I want like not null along with that uniqueness, even not allow. Not null also. You can keep it like this. You're giving here one row inserted. Again, I have one more row I'm inserting unique binary station error. So I'm inserting null here. Can't insert null value. See, one null also will not accepting. Unique key will allow null values, but it will not allow the duplicates. When along with unique, you want the not null also, you want to mention unique plus not null also. Because it will default it allows null values, but you don't want nulls also means you want to mention expect not null. Whatever you mention not null consent, you should mention unique along with not null. It will not allow the not null like one null value also along with maintain the duplicates. That's for the unique key. And third thing like primary key. No, check constraint we can do. Check constraint. Otherwise, primary key will go. Primary key. Primary key means primary key. So, certain table I am dropping. Here, I don't want duplicates. I don't want the not null also. Here, you mentioned unique plus primary key is something like equal to unique plus not null. Just no need to mention these all things. You can mention primary key. Table is created. See here, inserted row. Null value not allowing. Unique constraint violation error. So we are not mentioning. So primary key equal to the unique plus not null constraint. Not null means only it allows not allows the null values, it allows the duplicates. Unique means it not allows the duplicates, but it allows the duplicate. Not allows like this thing. Understand? Unique to not null primary key difference అర్థమైందా? అర్థమైందా అర్థం కదా? Foreign key. Foreign key is something like so which is having like here employee ID, which is having like what are the columns are there here? Only triple one column is. So I am creating another table emp2 maybe emp2 another table I'm creating. I'm creating like foreign key. This foreign key reference to the parent table, which will be referring like a whatever the parent table data is there, that only will contain. Like maybe if you feel confusion, I will write end of this one. So after this, FOREIGN foreign key I'm mentioning referring to the which table? EMP1. Please mute your Monica, please mute yourself. Already told you many times. References, which table? Foreign key, which table is the, this is the ID column. References to like which table, and EMP1 of which table, like ID column. This table is created. So otherwise, there is a one more way is there. Let me write drop table EMP. సింటాక్స్ ఉందంటే ఒక టేబుల్ ని మల్టిపుల్ వేస్ లో రాయొచ్చు. ఎట్లాగైనా రాయొచ్చు. ఇట్లాగే రాసేం కాదు. మల్టిపుల్ వేస్ ఉన్నాయి. సో ఇలా కూడా క్రియేట్ చేయొచ్చు. ఇలానే రాస్తే కరెక్ట్ కాదు. సో మల్టిపుల్ వేస్ ఉంటాయి. యూ కెన్ ఫైండ్ దట్. వైల్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ వస్తే మీకు ఆటోమేటిక్ గా తెలుసు. Okay? ఇట్లా కాదు. సో పని చేద్దాం. సో విల్ రిమూవ్ దిస్. అదొక విల్ కీప్ దిస్. We'll try like this. So now I'm trying to insert into EMP2 single one. Name something very salary 1000. So values. One row insert. I am trying to insert triple two now. Integrated constraint. You got it or not? అర్థమైందా? సో వైల్ యు ఆర్ ఇన్సర్టింగ్ దిస్ EMP2 table ID number. So what of it referring to the which table? EMP1 table. EMP1 table. What are the IDs are there? Only triple one is there. So that I am giving like triple one. It's accepted. It's accepted. But while I'm doing triple two, it's getting like error. What is error? Integrate constraint violation. Parent key not found means whatever triple two you are giving, that is not there in EMP1 table. That's why I won't insert. I don't want insert. It's telling like error. Because I'm mentioning like whatever the ID you are inserting in employee table 2, it referring to the employee 1 table ID. Okay? Like this. Referring to this, what parent child relationship. We are calling like parent and child relationship using like a primary key, foreign key. We are maintaining this relationship. This part. Little bit, very, very, very important. Primary key and foreign key. Almost every interview questions they are asking. Do people understand or not? Then we have like check constraint is there. Default constraint. Two more pending. Just ask me what are the doubts till now so far. You not understand anything. Let me know. It's not a compulsory because uh, one second. Sirisha is asking some doubt like కంపల్సరీ కాదు. వాట్ ఐమ్ సేయింగ్ లైక్ మీరు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసుకోవడం కోసం మీకు అర్థం అవడం కోసం నేను చేస్తున్నాను అంతే. ప్రీవియస్ సేమ్ టేబుల్ ఇక్కడ ఇక్కడ ఎక్కడ డ్రాప్ చేశాను చూడండి. ఇదే ఈ సేమ్ టేబుల్ నే మళ్ళీ కొత్త కొత్త టేబుల్ క్రియేట్ చేయకుండా పెట్టాను. ఇక్కడ EMP1 EMP2 EMP3 మల్టిపుల్ టేబుల్స్ క్రియేట్ చేయకుండా ఒక టేబుల్ తీసుకున్నా ఫస్ట్. ఆ టేబుల్ EMP1 అనే టేబుల్ తీసుకుని దాని మీద నాట్ నల్ రాశారు. EMP2 సేమ్ అదే టేబుల్ మీద మళ్ళీ డ్రాప్ చేసి దాని మీద యూనిక్ రాశారు. అది మళ్ళీ అదే టేబుల్ తీసుకుని డ్రాప్ చేసి దాని మీద యూనిక్ ప్రైమరీకి రాశా. అది సబ్జెక్ట్ అర్థం చేసుకుని డ్రాప్ ఎందుకు చేస్తున్నా, సేమ్ టేబుల్ నే యూజ్ చేస్తున్నా అంటే కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అవ్వకుండా. లేదు ఇదే టేబుల్ EMP1 కి యూనిక్ రాశారు, EMP2 కి లైక్ ప్రైమరీకి రాశాను, EMP3 కి ఫారెన్ కి రాశాను. అట్లా మల్టిపుల్ టేబుల్స్ క్రియేట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. టేబుల్ డ్రాప్ చేసి దాని మీద నేను ఇది చేస్తున్నాను. టేబుల్ డ్రాప్ చేయాలి కంపల్సరీ అని కాదు, కన్స్టెంట్ అప్లై చేయాలి కదా. లేదంటే ఆల్టర్ చేయొచ్చు. టేబుల్ ఆల్టర్ కమాండ్స్ నేను చెప్పాను. ఆల్టర్ యూస్ చేసి కూడా టేబుల్ ఆల్రెడీ క్రియేట్ అయ్యి ఉంది. సో బై మిస్టేక్ మీరు కన్స్టెంట్ ఇవ్వలేదు. ఆల్టర్ చేసి కన్స్టెంట్ యాడ్ చేయొచ్చు. నేను చూసిన ఆల్టర్ టేబుల్ నేమ్, యాడ్ కాలమ్ నేమ్స్ ఎలా అయితే చేసినా యాడ్ కన్స్టెంట్ నేమ్ కూడా ఇవ్వచ్చు. యా చెప్పండి. యా ప్లీజ్ ఆస్క్. సమ్మన్ ఈస్ ఆస్కింగ్ డౌట్స్. This record you want to delete. Is it this what you're saying? What is getting? Delete just, and I'm deleting the records from the parent table. What is getting? Child record means EMP2 table, it contains the triple one. First of all, we have to delete EMP2, then we can go. We deleted one row. Then come here. Now it's deleted. Right? It is always referring to whatever. Suppose you are deleting parent table, but childs are existing based on because you have to delete childs, then go for parent. You need more doubts, please. Otherwise, I will continue. Primary key, foreign key is completed. I will go for check constraint. Yeah. Okay. Sorry. Not value same man. So because I'm taking some, yes, any example, that's what I'm taking. It's not salary same, not like that. If you take any value, that's fine. I'm not considering the values. I'm telling about the concept. I'm not thinking about the values. That's the people see. Wait. Let me come. Some people not understand properly. Your people are, that's what. Even Sirish is asking, like, we want to drop or we want to create. Not like that. I'm same table I'm using. If you want to create new table, fine. Otherwise, you can enter the table. I'm not concentrating about data. I'm not concentrating any table name or something like that. Trying to explain the concept, like how the primary key, how the foreign key, how the check constraint, how the not null. I'm trying to explain the. I'm not bothering about the data. Yeah, please ask. ID. ID value should here employee to here. You're telling like ID value should enter or not. That's what you're asking. Yeah? Hmm. Yes. Primary key, foreign key, ఇచ్చేటప్పుడు ప్రైమరీ కీ ఇస్ లైక్ ఈక్వల్ టు ద యూనిక్. ఐ మీన్ లైక్ ఇట్ విల్ నాట్ అలౌ ద డూప్లికేట్స్. ట్రిపుల్ వన్ ఇఫ్ యూ గివ్, మళ్ళీ అగైన్ ట్రిపుల్ వన్ ఇవ్వాలి. ట్రిపుల్ టూ ఇస్తే ట్రిపుల్ వన్ ఇస్తే తీసుకోదు. ట్రిపుల్ టూ, ట్రిపుల్ త్రీ సంథింగ్ డిఫరెంట్ వాల్యూస్ ఇవ్వాలి ప్రైమరీ కీ అన్నప్పుడు. నల్ వాల్యూస్ కూడా తీసుకోదు. ఫారెన్ కీ వచ్చినప్పుడు ఏంటంటే ఆ పైన ఉన్న వాల్యూస్, పేరెంట్ టేబుల్ ఉన్న వాల్యూస్ రిఫర్ చేసుకుంటుంది. ఇప్పుడు సపోజ్ In child table, you are giving like triple one. It should exist in a parent table or not. If exists, then only it will allow. If not exist, it will not allow. Triple two, if you are giving, it not allow because only triple one and exist. ఓకేనా? సో నల్ వాల్యూస్ కావాలంటే ఇక్కడ ఫారెన్ కీలో నల్ వాల్యూస్ ఎన్ని కావాలంటే ఇన్సర్ట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. బట్ ప్రైమరీ కీ టైంలో ప్రైమరీ కీ డిఫైన్ చేసిన పేరెంట్ టేబుల్ లో నల్ వాల్యూస్ తీసుకోదు. Check constraint. I'm using like now check constraint. Check constraint means it will check the value while inserting time. Till now we saw like not null, primary key, unique key, foreign key, four constraints. This is the fifth constraint. Check constraint means while inserting the data, age column, it is more than 18 or not. If then only it will accept. See, 1 comma, if you're giving 10, age is 10, constraint violation error. It should accept at least 18. One row inserted. Give 14, throws error. Got it or not? Only more than 18 only will take. 18 or more than 18 inserted. Okay, that's what. It's the check constraint. Coming to the default constraint, same table I'm taking instead of that. And before that, maybe I will drop the table. నేను డ్రాప్ చేస్తున్నా పద్దాకా డ్రాప్ చేయలేను కాదు సేమ్ టేబుల్ తీసుకుని ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తున్నా అంతే ఏజ్ ఇంట్ ఇచ్చాను సో దెన్ వన్ మోర్ లైక్ డిఫాల్ట్ కన్స్ట్రక్షన్ సిటీ ఐ విల్ టేక్ సిటీ varchar 2 of 100 and DAFULT default Pune. So if default constraints this what table created. Now I'm trying to insert into persons values 1 comma age is something 10 because I'm not giving constraint. Check constraint I'm not giving any value it will take. And city I'm giving like null value. I'm not giving anything. If you're giving null value, what is take? Null value take. So not giving anything. One row also inserted. Suppose you're not giving this anything. Pune came on. So one record I'm giving like if you want to pass this values like ID, I'm passing one, age I'm passing 10, but I'm not passing location. Like city I'm not passing. By default it's taking Pune. Again I'm giving like 2, 20. So one row inserted. So Pune came right. You want to location or city also you can give. Sorry, comma. We should give comma. Comma also given. Like this. Default value. We can do it here. Check default, not null, unique, primary key, foreign key. These are all like covered. Constants like check we covered, foreign key covered, primary key covered, not null covered, default covered. These are the constants we covered. What are the pending now? Tomorrow we'll see like procedures, packages, some rank and dense rank kind of things. We'll see indexes, something like materialized view as well. So tomorrow we'll close like SQL. Then we go for Monday. We'll start like Informatica Cloud. Any doubts? Please practice. Yeah, Sunday also will class will be there. Same timing.